Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick recording today to talk a little bit about the different ways that you can access the Caro-Kann course through ChessGoals. So when you purchase the Caro-Kann course, you get access to all the video files if you purchase the video version. And then we also give you instructions on how to upload the PGN through different software. So this is the instruction file that I have pulled up here. You can see we have 4 different options. I guess 5 if you count downloading it directly. But you can use Chessbase, Chess.com, LeadChess, or Chessable. And lately a lot of players have been using Chessable, and I'll show you how that looks at the end. So in this file you can click on whichever resource you want. So in Chessbase, if you open a new database and navigate to the PGN file and select it, it'll look something like this graphic here, where you see each chapter is in its own game in Chessbase, and then within those games you'll see all 10 variations. So you can see here chapters 1 through 9 plus the course outline, and that's a nice way to train it. In Chessbase you can do a lot of different features. You can build a repertoire in Chessbase. You can do like a table mode where you kind of look at it like the old ECO books. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do. Run your engines on it. The next option, which is pretty popular, is Chess.com. And on Chess.com, you can go to the analysis page in your web browser, which is chess.com/analysis. You can load the PGN, paste it in, and then you get this kind of chapter by chapter guide that you can go through and easily select which chapters you want to look at. And now with the recent addition of the Chess.com libraries, you can actually add the repertoire to your collection on Chess.com and go back to it later. So the nice thing about Chess.com is it's online and you can always just access it from anywhere. Chessbase, there is an option for online, but a lot of players store it locally. The third option we have here is lichess. You can open a lichess study and upload your PGN file here and create a new chapter. The way it currently works with lichess, you actually have to go chapter by chapter. So within the PGN file, you have to copy them one at a time. It's a little bit clunky, but it still works, and the lichess study tool is really nice, easy to use. The fourth and final option is Chessable, and I think this is sort of becoming the most popular option in our Discord server that we have for premium members and Caro-Kann course purchasers. So to open this in Chessable, you go to chessable.com/new course and you can create a course, name it, select opening, select black pieces. That'll orient the board so you look from the black point of view. And then you can navigate to Tools, Import PGN, select your PGN file, and then you select the course you want to import it to. Click Import, and this is how it looks in Chessable. I have my Chessable in dark mode. But you can see here we got all the different chapters. Each chapter has all the variations listed, and then you can train this with spaced repetition. So you can see here I've been training 3 of the chapters, but we have members that are training all the chapters, and those seem to be the members that really have our course down solid. Because one nice thing with Chessable, as long as your course isn't too large, it can really help with memorization of the moves. And when you get a move wrong, we have text attached to almost every single move, as well as plans at the end of the lines. So you can go back and look at our text to try to give yourself a sentence or two to remember that for the next time. And even if I get the whole line correct, before I click on next line in Chessable, I like to read the little sentence or two that I wrote talking about the plans going forward, just to make sure that I always have those plans fresh in my mind. And Chessable is a great way to train the repertoire. The other nice thing with this repertoire is we only have about 90 variations, so it's very manageable. You know, if you try to train a Chessable book and it has like 1,000 lines, that ends up eating up so much of your chess study time that you actually don't have time to do other efficient things like playing games, doing analysis with takeaways, doing tactics, etc. So you really don't want to spend a ton of time on your openings in terms of the total proportion of your chess time spent. So Chessable with a course like this, which is very manageable in size, I think is a great option. Alright guys, so I'll put a couple links in the description below to our Caro-Kann course. It's been getting some really good feedback so far, and if you have any questions on it, feel free to comment on the video or send me an email. I'll be happy to help. And on the website, we also have the whole first chapter. We have the video for free. And then we also have a chapter preview for the other remaining chapters where we go through the first line of those remaining chapters. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up, and please click the subscribe if you're interested in more content. All right, we'll see you next time.